Hello everyone. Today I am doing a wig review. Now you all know that I have a signature style. I have about 5 wigs that I rotate because certain wigs just don't look right on me. So I try to stick to what works, okay? So today I am reviewing the Kiss and Go wig. So this wig is similar to this. This is my signature style. But this one is like in a reddish color. It's supposed to be burgundy, but it's more reddish to me. So I am reviewing that. You've seen these wigs all over the place. They've been in the stores for a very long time. So you can always find this style. But I haven't tried it in the reddish color. Okay, so let me take it out and tell you a little bit about it. Like you have seen me so many times in these wigs, and I usually wear the longer version, and then I use a shorter one, and then I have some curly wigs, stuff like that I switch up sometimes. So this is the Cara. That's what it looks like. And it's looking kind of orangey right now, y'all. I don't know about this. I haven't tried it yet. And it has no combs, just the adjustable strap here. I need some wigs with some combs in it though. With some combs. So I'm gonna try this on. Let me take the tag off and tell you what I feel about this one in this reddish orangey color. Okay, so I'll be right back with the wig on my head, okay? Okay, Cara. It's a little too red for me. I want it a little bit darker, so I may find another one that's in a darker burgundy color. Let me get these little stray hairs. It's short. It's shorter than my other one. I like the length of it. And the hair feels decent. So I like these styles because it's simple. It can go, it's suitable for all occasions. It's shedding a little bit, y'all. But this is a little too red for me. I like the way the hair feels though. Like I said, this is my signature style. So I'm gonna be looking for, I had one in the brown and had a little bit of like a light red in it, not too much, just a little bit, and I like that one. I haven't been able to find that one again, and maybe I'll get used to this, but right now I don't know. So y'all know what it looks like in the back. Those of you who had this wig. So I will be stocking up on some wigs for the winter. I noticed that a lot of wigs that I usually get are starting to run out at the local beauty supply. So I'm going to be ordering them online because I know this style. It's a style that works for me. But I need a different color. And so what do you guys think about this wig? And be honest. Be honest. It says, you can use the hot curlers on that, so I think the flat iron. See how it's shedding? You can use flat iron safe up to 350. Simple and easy to wear. It is easy to wear. This color is 999J. So let's see what I can do with this bang. I don't want to cut it too much, but I'm feeling like a little Ronald McDonald-ish in this wig. But maybe I'll wear it around the house and get used to it. It's really a nice, comfortable wig, and it's nice to have some on hand and switch up and switch out. Even if you wear a certain style, sometimes you want to try a different color. One thing about these wigs, I see some hair here. One thing about these wigs is that they're convenient. Like if you go on a little trip or something and you don't feel like doing your hair, then you just pop these in your bag and you're ready for any occasion. Okay, so this was a short review. Hope you like it. If you are interested, I will be putting some links in the description box showing different versions of the same wig, but they're, under different names. But it's basically the same wig. I'm surprised at the shedding though. And usually a lot of my short wigs like this, it doesn't really shed. It's looking a little bit better. Take that off too. Okay, I'm sweating, y'all. I'm sweating. So thank you so much for watching. And I will be coming back soon with another video, y'all. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please comment. Please share. And please like.